It's easy to manage registrations and RSVPs for your event. Say goodbye to Excel spreadsheets and manual updates. All attendee data is held in one convenient place. You can add table setting, name badge information, arrange to have rooming lists scheduled and sent to the selected hotels, or even capture flight requests of the attendees to send to your dedicated travel booker. You can send attendees a certificate of completion once the event is complete, should there be a certification aspect to your event, or proof of attendance required, and again, this can be automated to save any manual processes. All attendee information can also be downloaded at the click of a button into a run sheet to enable you to check off attendees on arrival or simply export it for future use.